Savannah, what do you have there? Can you show Daddy?
Strawberry.
Strawberry, let me see.
Family of strawberries.
Ooh, good job.
One, two, three. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to episode 2 of Cooking with Kids. Today what do we do today?
Strawberry stuff.
Strawberry stuff. Did we go strawberry picking?
Yeah.
We have an annual tradition where we go strawberry picking every single year. So this year we didn't let the quarantine stop us. We were wearing masks and we were social distancing even when we were picking strawberries. But it was really good to get outside and get some fresh air and some sunshine and just have fun, right?
But it was so hot.
It was so hot. What were you gonna say?
But it was like too hot for me.
It was too hot for you. We're back now and we have a ton of strawberries with us and it's time for a snack. So we're going to make strawberry milk and strawberry cream sandwiches today. What's that?
Room.
What's wrong? I think she's excited. So we're going to make strawberry milk and strawberry cream sandwiches. These are very common snacks in parts of Asia, and I know strawberry cream sandwich can sound a little bit strange, right? It's literally whipped cream and strawberry in white bread, but it's actually really, really delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and now let's get started. We're going to start by making the strawberry milk. So what I need you guys to do is to cut some strawberries into little pieces. So the kids picked some really, really beautiful strawberries like these ones, and some really, really tiny little strawberries. So what we're gonna do is to save these beautiful strawberries for the strawberry cream sandwiches, and we're gonna use these tiny ones because they will go bad faster in the strawberry milk. So what I need you guys to do is to cut these strawberries into little pieces. So how about this, Savannah? Can you help Jijia cut just the top off with your butter knife? Okay, just cut off the top, and then Sophie, can you cut them into little pieces and then put them in here? Okay.
I'm gonna cut off one though because I want to get
Wrong side, Savannah. The other side. This side. Okay. Now remember, go back and forth.
Oh, it looks like
Yep.
blood. Why do you keep on eating that? Why?
So now the strawberries are cut, we're going to add in some sugar and some lemon to macerate the strawberries, which will eventually turn into a strawberry sauce. Savannah, can you put in 1 tablespoon of sugar, which is a full tablespoon, which is this whole spoonful. Put on top. Slowly sprinkle. Yep, sprinkle on top like this. Yep. Okay.
Looks like snow.
Yeah, so you can put as much sugar as you want, depends on the sweetness of your strawberries. And then we're going to cut a lemon, and we just need, you want to cut here, I want you to cut this in half. Okay, so now can you squeeze? It's not the whole thing, just a little bit in here. Keep squeezing, keep squeezing. Okay, maybe the whole thing. And the lemon just going to extract more of the strawberry flavor and also counterbalance the sweetness. We're going to also add in just a pinch of salt. Again, the salt is in there to really bring out the sweetness, just a tiny little pinch. Okay, and then you want to stir everything together?
Yeah.
Now we're going to leave this in the fridge, covered, for maybe 15 to 30 minutes. The longer you leave it in the fridge, the more juice is going to come out of the strawberries. What I like to do with this usually is, you know, when you buy strawberries and 2 days later, some of them becomes kind of soft. So what I like to do is take those and cut them into little pieces and treat them this way. So I'll do a whole jar of it, mix with some sugar and some lemon juice, and I'll leave in the fridge for up to a week. And throughout the week, we'll use that strawberry juice to make strawberry milk or put it over ice cream, right? Or some kind of biscuits or any kind of dessert. Now you know, anytime your strawberry is not at its prime, you can go ahead and make them into a strawberry sauce that you can add over anything. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in the fridge to macerate while we make the strawberry sandwiches. Did you steal a lemon to suck on?
So we're back now.
So we're not back now, yep. Now we're going to make the strawberry cream sandwiches. The first thing we're going to do is actually to make the whipped cream. Sophie, can you pour me half a cup of whipped cream? One teaspoon of sugar. And again, this is here, you can add as much sugar, as little sugar as you want. It depends on the sweetness of your strawberries. Ours is very sweet, so I'm just using a little bit of sugar. Now we're going to make the whipped cream. So I'm going to turn this on. Sophie, do you want to do this part? Okay. Here, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn on low, and then you're just going to go in one direction. Okay, very important to only go one direction. What you're looking for is stiff peaks. This is stiff peaks. Okay? Now we're going to prepare our bread. We are just using white bread. You can also use, I think, Hawaiian bread or milk bread would be really good with this. Or maybe even potato bread. Any kind of white soft bread would be really good with this. So I'm just going to cut the crust off. Now we're going to do the strawberry part. All we're going to do here is just cut the stem off of the strawberries. We want them all to be about the same size.
Can I cut?
Yeah, you can cut. Cut them about the same height, okay? So like this one's actually a little taller, so I'm going to cut this one a little bit shorter so that they all kind of sit together, okay? There we go. So now we have our bread, our whipped cream, and our strawberries, and we're ready to assemble. Unfortunately, you do need saran wrap for this recipe. If you have another more sustainable way, please comment below and let me know. I'm always looking for great alternatives to saran wrap. First thing we're going to do is to put a little bit of whipped cream on here.
Like butter.
As a base.
Like butter.
And I'm going to make one, and Sophie, you guys can make the next one, okay?
Yeah.
So a little bit of whipped cream on the bottom. And then we're going to stack on our strawberries. Like so.
Looks like we may have cut.
A few too many?
Yeah.
That's okay.
It's kind of like
We'll eat them all, right?
Yeah. It's kind of like a
Yeah, and now I'm going to put some more whipped cream right in between all the areas. Okay, so now I have filled in all the crevices, and what we're going to do is put the top layer on top, press down a little bit, and now we're going to wrap the sandwich within the saran wrap and press down as we are wrapping, and that's how we make sure the whipped cream stays within the sandwich but also kind of gets in all the corners.
It's time for us.
So now we have 2 strawberry sandwiches. We're going to put these in the fridge for 15 minutes. And then we'll be right back to finish making the strawberry milk, and then it's time to eat.
Yes!
Yeah. So it's been 15 minutes. Now let's assemble our strawberry milk and sandwiches. First, let's cut our sandwiches. Ooh, that look pretty?
Hit the subscribe button.
Okay. And then this one is cut this way. See what it looks like.
Diagonal.
Diagonal.
If you know
Like
what
how I always wanted
if
to
you
cut
know
them.
what our names are called, good job.
Ooh, and here's this one, like that.
Percentage.
Let's make our strawberry milk, which is really easy. We're going to put in some strawberry first. I'm going to add in a couple cubes of ice because my kids love ice, right?
Yes.
Oh, yeah!
Just one, just one. Okay. And now comes the milk. Just regular old milk. You can use any type you want. We're using whole milk. You can use 2%, fat-free, soy milk, rice milk, coconut milk. A couple extra strawberries I'm gonna slice down the middle and just put it on the cup like this to make it fancy. And there we have it. Strawberry milk and strawberry sandwiches. Yummy?
Okay, this is gonna be yummy.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is the strawberry milk good?
It's tasty.
It's tasty.
I like to eat this.
Is this a good snack before jujitsu?
Mm-hmm.
Now you have energy?
I have no idea how to hold it.
It's too big for you? Okay, so I think this was a success. Thank you for watching episode 2 of Cooking with Kids. We'll see you next time, right? You want to say bye to everyone?
Bye.
Bye, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe.